Welcome back to another video shredded content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And in today's video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step guide on how to press Flash Custom Transfers. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so all for you new people out there, or if you're not new, welcome back, Flash fam. I'm gonna press something on this polo right here. This is actually a polo that we had for our Flash UV. If you don't know, we make DTF transfers, and we also make a product that's called UVDTF. I'll give you an example right here. This is our UVDTF product, and if you notice, the color is like a violet purple. So we purchased this shirt right here so that I could rock my brand. I'm going to put small little left chest hit on this polo. It's a Gildan Polo, it's nothing special. I'll put the link in the description down below if you want it. But actually, I'm just gonna press this little transfer right here, just so I can wear my brand while I'm out and people can say, ooh, that's a nice shirt, stuff like that. So I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to do that. First thing you wanna do, you wanna get your heat press going. I know my heat press, we suggest to press around 310 degrees for about 10 to 15 seconds with Teflon. I know my press, we use about 315 because it might drop to like 300 or something like that, or drop to like 310 because it's an old press. How long have we had this press, babe?
2020.
Right? 2020, so yeah. And the press technology back then is not as good as it is now. Definitely well built as far as like durability, but I'm sure the heating core and everything has been used so many times. So you wanna do that. We have it set for 14 seconds. You really don't need that much for such a small hit, especially with our transfers. They really want to adhere as long as you have that high pressure. And that's one thing that we have. In fact, let me go ahead and tighten up the pressure just to make sure.
Well, there is a heat pillow in there, so that's lifting it. And so you won't need that much pressure.
Okay, well, thank you. So my wife, she set up I don't press. Shelly's the one who presses.
You do press.
I don't press as much as you. So I definitely wouldn't have used a heat pillow. So thank you. What the heat pillow does, it's a Teflon pillow. And what it does, it raises the garment so that you can put more pressure on the area. Now you've seen in some videos, somebody might put something over the buttons, and you can go ahead and show them. Some people might put like another pillow here. Some people might put more Teflon there or something like that. With our experience, these buttons don't melt. These buttons nothing happens to the button, so we're fine. We're just gonna go ahead, and what I like to do is, or what Shelly taught me, actually, I'm gonna have Shelly do it because she's the expert. Let's go ahead and swap.
Oh, hi, didn't see you there. So we're gonna go ahead and press this. And for, if you're a newbie like my husband, we have the t-shirt ruler. This will always help find that center point of your t-shirt, polo, hoodie, whatever the case may be, your custom apparel, your center, and then your left chest is right here in this corner. And we have this linked in the description below. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. You were talking about how I find it with the ruler. So that's how I learned without this thing, but we're gonna use this thing for today to kind of show everybody the process. So we go ahead and we, just like a regular t-shirt, put it under the collar. Our center is here, obviously, because of our buttons. How I find the center of my design is I go ahead and match edge to edge here. And I give it a little pinch, but don't pinch the design, just the film. So this is our center. We want to put it I put mine about right there. So I match up my line with here. You can match it up with here. It's really at your discretion. I'm gonna get a piece of my heat tape, and this is also in the description below. This is specifically for heat. This is not regular tape, so it does not melt, and it doesn't damage your apparel or transfers. So I'm gonna go ahead, place this where I want it, and then give a good tape just to hold it in place. And this you do not press. This is not
pressable,
heat resistant. All right, so once we got it measured to where we want it, how does that look?
kind of high. What do you think? I know, like right
it's up to you. It's really at your discretion. So if you want it lower, we can bring it lower. If you want it
just a tad lower.
Okay. So make sure it's straight. Make sure it's exactly how you want it.
And again, We can show you 100 times how to do it, but you really don't become good at it until you do it yourself.
So with Flash Custom Transfers, you would just cut and press off of your gang sheet when you receive that in the mail. And there's no weeding, there's no, no weeding involved. With sublimation, there's no limitations. There's unlimited colors and gradients, so you're able to get your desired look. So we'll go ahead, we have our heat press set to 315. So we are going to press this for 14 seconds.
Yeah.
And then let it cool to the touch, and then we press another 6 to 8 seconds. So let's go ahead and give it a press, strong man.
All right, now I'm gonna press.
So the trick, or not the trick, the most important part of our transfers is pressure. It has, like my husband said, there's a lot of adhesive. It needs that pressure and that heat. So you have to find the right formula for your heat press.
Yes, and with that pillow underneath it, it does make it difficult to press down. And this beautiful fan here, Flash Custom Transfer fan or Flash UV fan, is available in the link in the description down below. And we're the first ones that started this fan thing. I know you see other companies out there with their little doozy fan or whatever. We started this. Like always, we're the trendsetters in this world of DTF.
So our transfers are cold peel.
Yes. Yeah, I think that's good right there.
Yeah, just 10, 15 seconds, depending on how big your design is.
Get this cool peel. Oops, sorry. I always do that. I don't ever peel as good as you do. Because I'm not the professional.
So we're gonna go ahead and give a second press, 6 to 8 seconds to kind of, what are you looking for?
Seal, T-seal. So this right here is our T-seal sheet, and I love this thing. What it does is it really pushes the DTF into the fabric, and you will see right now it's smooth. Come over here and take a look at it. Look at the texture. Right now it's smooth, so it hasn't really taken that fabric. And again, pressing with Teflon is gonna be just fine. It's not gonna come off, but pressing with the T-seal sheet, I promise you, you will see the difference, and it really pushes it into the fabric, into like the little grooves of the fabric. There's little grooves on this Teflon sheet, and it pushes it in there. It makes it adhere even better and gives it that nice matte look. So let's go ahead, put this on there. We'll just put it on this side, come back down. I'm gonna press it just for about 6 to 8 seconds. All righty, and you wanna get the big reveal?
See.
Oh, it's hot. Be careful, man, this T-seal sheet gets hot.
You can wear heat gloves.
Look at that.
Bring it out.
All right, bring it out.
Let's take a look.
Ah, good.
So that's what the heat pillow looks like.
Yes.
And I got a variety pack, so I have several different sizes, and that'll be in the description as well. How does it look?
It looks great, and you can see the texture. Can you see the texture in the light?
Hold on, be still.
Because there's not too much texture on the shirt, but you can see a little bit in the color. You can see the texture. And as you know, our transfers are the strongest, tightest transfer.
Don't mess your shirt up.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and let's see how it looks. Here we go. This is what it looks like, guys. It came out great. Again, I probably should have went down probably like another inch, but again, everything looks good. Now I can rock my gear, especially, you know, the purple looks really good on my skin. Go ahead and get that.
Oh yeah, did you just get a haircut too?
Yeah, you know, check the waves, peep the wave game.
Oh, I can't reach that high.
Peep the wave game, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, see, you're able to make a beautiful apparel with using our transfer. So again, this is just a little quick we did it in purple too. Step-by-step guide on how to use Flash Custom Transfers. Guys, we have so many videos on the channel about our product, the most vetted product on the planet, most content out there, the most tests done. A lot of people can say that their product is strong and durable. We prove it time and time and time again. Head on over to Flash Custom Transfers right now. Get yourself a gang sheet. Our 22 by 120 gang sheets, 10 feet worth of gang sheets for only $75 is going crazy. It's hands down our best-selling product for only 75 bucks. You're gonna get 10 feet worth of transfers. Just imagine how many things that you could fit. If you were doing any types of school projects or anything like that, you're gonna be able to fit neck tags, front hits, front left chest hits, back, big 10 by 10, 12 by 12, 8 by 8, pictures on the back, images. You can gang that thing out for all different types of projects. If you have children and you don't want to go to the Nike store or to Gucci or whatever, obviously not Gucci, but or if you what I'm saying is, if you don't want to go to the store and spend a lot of money on all these different types of brands, create your own brand and let your child set themselves apart like we did. So you can go online, you can get really cool images. Etsy has a lot of really cool images. You can go to the store, get you some really cheap apparel, great quality. It just costs a lot less than it does in a store, and create custom apparel for your child's back to school. So back to school days. So again, head on over to flashcustomtransfers.com. If you have any questions, email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. We love helping you. Don't forget to check out our Flash graphic services. If you don't know how to set up a gang sheet, please check out all of our videos. If you do know how to set up a gang sheet, but you just need your image brought to that highest quality, if you need your image to, background removed, check out Flash graphics at flashcustomtransfers.com. That's how you get in touch with us. I had to memorize that. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Don't forget to check out the same type of content from Chelly's perspective on Flash Custom Transfers official YouTube page. And don't forget, we are the same straight out of content Flash Custom Transfers on all our handles, Instagram, TikTok. Please follow us as we are trying to get bigger on those platforms. Anything you want to say, babe?
No, thank you. You look very handsome in your shirt.
Bam. All right, guys, be basic. Peace.